Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I'm going to teach you about colors with a rainbow. Can you see the rainbow? It's so pretty. Rainbows have 7 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. First, we have red. Red is the color of apples and fire trucks. Next, we have orange. Orange is the color of oranges and pumpkins. Then, we have yellow. Yellow is the color of lemons and bananas. After that, we have green. Green is the color of leaves and grass. Fifth, we have blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Sixth, we have indigo. Indigo is the color of blueberries and grapes. And last, but not least, we have violet. Violet is the color of grapes and lavender flowers. That's it. Now you know the colors of the rainbow. Can you name all of them? Yeah. It's red. Yeah. It's orange. Yeah. It's yellow. Yeah. It's green. Yeah. It's blue. Yeah. It's indigo. Yeah. It's violet.